Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Checking in on SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So we got our break of the tightening range. The bulls were on the verge and they finally followed through with a lot of strength today. Bullish MACD cross, increase in bull volume, break of the all-time high, and we did close just above the upper Bollinger Band. So blue sky breakout. QQQ has been hitting blue sky breakout for 3 days in a row, and now the S&P 500 is following along. Weekly chart extremely bullish, exponential moving averages continuing to hold, and from here it's all psychological resistance levels. We're looking at 231, 231.50, 232, so on and so forth. So as soon as the bulls broke that all-time high, it occurred on the second candlestick on the 5-minute chart today, and look at the reaction afterwards. The bulls were in absolute full control, holding exponential moving average support. Really nice big move to the upside, and that's the kind of momentum that the bulls can have. Look at this RSI. RSI means a lot less when we are in blue sky breakout. Overbought territory does not mean the same thing it does to a stock that has previous price history. And then we had consolidation, and looking at the 5-minute chart, you can tell this is nice and healthy consolidation because we didn't really give back any of the gains to the upside. We just cooled things off, the RSI cooled off, and then the bulls continued to the upside. And you look at that on the hourly time frame, and it's a very strong bull flag and then continuation. So these moving average supports are catching up. We've got hourly exponential moving average, still support, and we'll be watching that all-time high, 230.95, as a resistance level tomorrow. So we have a scenario where, a lot of people see the political unrest and they're uncertain about the markets and they're thinking we're going to see a crash and all that. And that's fine to be prepared for. It's fine to, have a game plan in place, to have stop losses in place and all of that in case we are going to see a big pullback. Because when we know that when they happen quickly. But in order to be looking bearish when we have a market in blue sky breakout with no sign of the bears, it's really a recipe to lose money. And you want to be going with the trend. Obviously, you've heard the saying, the trend is your friend. And when you have a clear higher low pattern, when we held this middle Bollinger Band has been our guide on the daily time frame all of 2017, and we have held it pretty much every single test. We did close just below it one day, but we've held it consistently. There is no sign of the bears, and we cannot give the bears any benefit of the doubt. They have to prove to us that they're showing up. So I will gladly continue to play bullish and continue to play with the trend. And if I miss the first day of a dump day, so be it. I'll get stopped out. I'll get out of my bullish positions, and then I'll start looking to the downside. But I am not going to give any benefit of the doubt to the bears until we lose this middle Bollinger Band daily support, currently 227.92 and ascending. So blue sky breakout, bulls in full control. We'll check back in tomorrow and see if we can continue to the upside. Thanks for watching.